Smoke detector. Nice job insulating all the areas where the wiring is coming into the space from an unconditioned space. Got the TV, electrical outlet there in the wall. And today we got our ductwork. We got 2 outlets of HVAC. They all tie in up over here. Thinking the bunk bed will go over here in the corner. And I'm going to build a little window seat there for the place to sit, but also to store stuff. I guess next up is insulation. We got to get some city inspections done before they could do drywalling. And yeah, another example of foaming going on. That's nice. And then we've got our storage area here. And we still have electrical outlet, the original electrical outlet back here. So